clearing by Baihutang, Yangming, and Big 3. Then Hwangryunjedu-tang, keyword 3 Zhao hit, and hit toxin, egg toxin. How about Xuexin-tang? Treat also 3 Zhao, but this case hit damp, and keyword constipation. And Qingwei-san, good, hit. So yes, gum and teeth. Daochi-san, where hit 3 Zhao, 3 Zhao. Yangming, stomach. This one, heart. Yes, that's correct. Heart. And tongue. Tongue and mouth. Ulcer. Irritability. Irritability. Anything else? And dark urine. Dark urine because of small intestine hit. And what is the main component of Daochi-san? Dihwang and Mutong. So this is a paired herb for clearing heart hit. Dihwang and Mutong. And you can name all the ingredients here. Hwangryunjedu-tang, 3 Hwang, Hwangryun, Hwangqin, Hwangbai, 3 Hwang, and Chichi. And this one with Dahwang. This one is Hwangyan and nourishing in herbs. And this one, Dihwang and Mutong. And Longdan Shegan-tang. Where does it go? And it clears heat and damp, just like Xuexin-tang. And there's one more keyword always need to remember. It's groin area. Groin area. Pretty much everything about Longdan Shegan-tang, about Bai To Weng-tang. It goes intestine, large intestine, and also damp heat and dysentery. Dysentery. Anything else? Bloody stool, bloody diarrhea. And Qinghao Bieji-tang, empty heat. And keyword, latent fever. Exertion, maybe cool down in the morning. Cool in the morning. And next, Dangil Wang-tang, sweating. Sweating by empty heat. Indeficiency, empty heat. Dangui and 6 Huang. And Huangqi is the largest amount. So this is the one sentence summary I made with you, but I hope you can make your own summary.